Hello, I'm the awesome tutor, and today we're going to be looking at controlling body temperature from the Unit 3 of AQA GCSE Biology. So let's get started. Now, your internal body temperature is known as your core body temperature, and you need to know this for your exam. And there are many factors which affect the core body temperature, such as the energy produced in your muscles, the fevers caused by the disease, and the main factor is external temperature rising or falling. So on a hot day, your body temperature is likely to increase. On a cold day, your body temperature is likely to decrease. But you need to keep your body temperature constant, and this is called this is actually a part of homeostasis, keeping internal body conditions constant. And for example, you need to keep them constant so that enzymes don't denature. Now, the control of the body temperature relies on the thermoregulatory center in your brain, which you need to know for your exam. And it does this by monitoring your core body temperature. How does it do that? It does it by monitoring the temperature of the blood flowing through the brain itself. And temperature receptors in your skin send electrical impulses to the thermoregulatory center. And that's how you can pick up changes in temperature. So cooling the body down. On a hot day, your body temperature is likely to increase, and you need to cool it down to keep the body temperature constant. So the first thing that you can do is the blood vessels supplying the capillaries near the surface of the skin dilate, which means they widen. So the blood flow through them increases. And because they're near the surface of the skin, more energy is lost by radiation because the blood flow is increased. Also, as you can see here, sweating. Your sweat glands in your skin produce and release more sweat, which evaporates. So you lose more energy because you're transferring the heat from your body to the sweat to evaporate it. So you're losing energy, keeping your body cool. Now, keeping the body warm. The blood vessels supplying the capillaries near the surface of the skin, in this case, become narrower, which is called vasoconstriction, which is a really good term to use in your exam. So the blood flow through these capillaries, through the blood vessels, decreases. So less energy is lost by radiation, keeping your body temperature warm. You also shiver, and because you're shivering, your muscles are contracting. And when your muscles are contracting, the energy they get from contracting is from respiration. So your respiration increases. And this releases heat. So as your muscles contract, they release heat through respiration, which keeps your body temperature warm by heating the body. Keeping the body warm, you can also, as you can see here, the sweat glands in the skin produce and release less sweat. So less evaporation, so you lose less energy. And as you can see here, the hairs are pulled erect. In other words, they stand up, trapping an insulating layer of air. And because they're trapping an insulating layer of air, you lose less energy because it's an insulator. And basically, that's all you need to know for keeping body temperature constant. This has been the Awesome Tutor. Bye.